making throwing knives.
Throwing knives. Making throwing knives. First thing we did was we got our metal. We just got this big piece of metal right here. Make a little design right now and figure out exactly what shape we want to make the throwing knife. What's your name?
Hudson.
Hudson. This is my cousin Hudson. He's helping me this week. He wants to learn how to make throwing knives too, right?
Yep.
We're not really too worried about, like I would love to learn how to forge someday, but I don't really know how to forge right now. So what we're gonna do is just kind of make a cheapo knife with a sharp point so that we can figure out how to throw it. That's what we're focusing on. So, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. How's that look?
That looks pretty cool.
Yeah?
Even just the drawing of it.
Yeah.
Sick.
All right, so this is what Hudson described and I drew. So this was Hudson's original design that he wanted to do, and then we converted it into this. So now we just need to get the measurements perfect for this so that it's entirely symmetrical. With a throwing knife, it seems like you want it balanced, right? All right, so we need to design that perfectly. What's half of inch and a half?
Maybe
Do your fractions.
like right here.
Like right here, that's the
Yes.
middle.
Yes.
That's half of inch and a half is about right here.
Yes.
Well, you're right, because that's 3/4 of an inch.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, you ever used a torch before?
Nope.
There we go.
Whoa.
Get her down to the right point. Oh.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah. You know what this is?
No.
All right, so this is a leather. All right, that's what it's called, because it's made out of leather. All right. So the red line coming in is fuel. Okay, that's the flammable gas. Turn this on just a little bit. Get it lit, and then you grab this one right here. See how it gets nice and red? Then what I do is I hold this all the way down.
Whoa.
That's all you do. You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right. Arm back here. Okay. Nice work. You got it on the first try. Are you kidding me? Dude, you're a legend. Keep going.
Call me the Joker, call me the fool. When she calls, I always seem to lose my cool. Baby, I'm just a mouse to your plane. And don't you know that loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen? Don't you know that loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen? Yes, it is, baby. Got no class, all attributes. Don't know if I'm talking about me or you.
But are you at least confident that you won't hit that phone right there?
I won't hit.
All right, go ahead. You're first.
All right, let's see it.
Hey!
Hey!
Yeah, got one to stick.
Got one.
We'll switch up the video so it looks like you did it. So the problem we're running into here is like Hudson's here is it's just not staying sharp. It's just getting completely dull on the end, which is making it really hard to stick. What we found is that this metal is not great for making knives out of. It's mild steel. We looked it up online and we found out that you kind of need what's called cold rolled steel. So we're gonna order some of that and we're gonna try this again in a couple months. But these are sticking. The wood is really hard. So we're gonna go try to find like a dead tree. Maybe it's a little bit better. These will stick into it. We can't keep them sharp because the tips just keep ending up dull. But if we stand close enough and we throw them hard enough, they seem to stick. Hudson's got a few to stick. I've gotten quite a few more to stick. Yesterday it was -11 with the wind chill factor. So today it's better out. We're gonna go try to find a dead tree and give it a try.
This day sucks.
So they work, they stick in stuff, but we can't really keep them sharp. They're not hard enough. So we're gonna get some cold rolled steel and try this again, probably in a month or two. What did you think of this project?
I thought it was very fun.
Yeah? Are you happy with how your knife turned out?
I mean, yours looks a little better, but
So what was your favorite part of this?
probably fun.
Yeah? So how did it feel when you finally got your first one to stick in the board?
Pretty satisfying.
Satisfying, yeah? All right, cool. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, subscribe, like it, right? They should like it, yeah. Like it, share it. And yeah, until the next video, I will see you guys next week. You're looking at me like I'm stupid. Don't do that. Look at the camera, okay? Until the next video, I will see you guys next week. I'm talking slick.